You know, Dubsado allows video conferencing with Chronofy to a limited number of platforms like Google Meet, Zoom, Microsoft Teams 8 by 8. But what if you are not using any of these platforms for your video conferencing, like myself? And is there a way out? Yes, there is. And this is what I am talking about in today's video. Hi, I'm Deepthi, a certified Dubsado specialist, a content creator, and a mom. And on this channel, I talk about Dubsado workflows and client experience. If you are new to my channel, make sure you subscribe to my channel to not miss out on any Dubsado beginner-friendly tutorial videos which are posted every week, and join my free Facebook community for Dubsado beginners to help you with Dubsado related questions. Let's begin. Before we begin today's video, just know there are timestamps in the description below. So if you want to skip certain parts and jump to a particular section, feel free to do so because your time is precious and I value it as much. Now, I recently faced a situation where I had to subscribe to a video conferencing tool and I did not like Zoom or Google Meet, which were the obvious two choices in the beginning. Zoom, because it felt a little expensive at this point of my business journey, and Google Meet because I personally do not like the user interface. Now began my search for a video conferencing tool. I asked several service providers like myself and eventually found Whereby. It's amazing so far, allows unlimited hours of video conferencing and recording as well, allows around 100 people to join my meeting at a point of time, and has plans to upgrade as well. It costed me $69 for an yearly subscription, and that was a major win for me. But now the challenge ahead was, how do I sync Whereby with Dubsado Scheduler? And this is where I found my secret hack. This is what I did. I created recurring meeting rooms in Whereby, and then I used that particular link, embedding it straight into my scheduler and using that link in my confirmation and appointment reminder emails as well. Let me show you how. So once I had created a recurring meeting room in Whereby, you can create a recurring meeting room in either of the video conferencing tools that you personally prefer as well. And once you are done, simply copy the meeting link and paste it in your scheduler. I'll go to templates, click on scheduler, and let's say on my discovery call links, I'll go to the discovery call with the Dubsado Pro scheduler, and in the location here, I'll paste my Whereby meeting link. Now, in order to use this link as your meeting link in the confirmation emails or the reminder emails that go after in your scheduler, this is what you can do. First of all, save this change and then go to the canned emails section. I'll go into the emails that I need to update this link on. The confirmation and reminder emails are the emails for me at present. I'll first update this in the confirmation email and make sure that this is a smart field link for me. So what this is doing is actually picking up the link from your scheduler and pasting it directly over here. You can find this link into the smart field section, go to the appointment area and click on appointment location. Once you click on it, it will automatically capture the meeting room link that you have pasted in your scheduler. I'll save and close, and I'll repeat this update in my reminder email as well. So in here, in the location section, I'll click on the smart field again here for your reference, appointment location, and there I have it. I'll save these changes, and now whenever anyone schedules an appointment with me, they'll now be shown this Whereby link, which is a recurring room created in my Whereby account. And every time a reminder email goes there as well, we'll have this link for client to simply go ahead, click on it and join my meeting whenever we are due to meet. Now, one thing I would make sure to make this work flawlessly is update the settings in my meeting room. So in my Whereby account, I have made it compulsory for people to knock before they can join the meeting. In case anyone else joins the meeting who was not scheduled to meet you at that particular hour, you can actually let others people remain out of the meeting and not hamper your current meeting that you are doing with your client. That's something you need to take care of. And other than that, you're good to go. Now, before we wrap up today's video, here's our Dubsado tip of the week. How do you share this scheduler link with your clients to book an appointment with you? There are 3 popular ways to do so. Way number 1 is actually copying the link directly from here and sharing it right on your Instagram link with your clients on WhatsApp, over email, or any other way that you prefer personally. The other way is actually copying this entire iframe code and embedding this link on your website so that it becomes a public scheduler, and anyone who lands on your website and wants to book a call with you can have access directly to the scheduler to book an appointment with you. The third popular way is sending the scheduler via a project. To do this, you have to go to the project, click on the project that you want to send the scheduler in, go to the appointments tab, click on schedule appointment, and use the using existing scheduler template. Now in here, pick the template you want to send to your client and make sure you send it to your client as well. To send it, you have to click on send button, change the email body if you need, use the can email section from here and click on send. And that's it for today. I hope you liked today's video. Do not forget to give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram and join my free Facebook group for Dubsado hacks, questions and answers, and a lot more tutorials on Dubsado. This is me signing off for this week. Meet you next week. Hi, I'm Deepti, and in this channel, that's it. Do not forget to give me a thumbs up.